It's time to make blizzards. Are you ready? I'm ready. I've been wanting to bake these blizzards for a very long time. Let's go, Sissy. Only ice cream they have at the store that we actually like is the Haagen-Dazs, so we had to grab this. Went to Smart & Final. Originally told her to use the salt and straw, but she didn't have enough. Yeah, I didn't have enough. And we're gonna do Butterfinger blizzards. And somehow Kayla will do this. An almond toffee blizzard. And we're gonna see how it goes. Saw this trend on TikTok, so stand by. I brought something else for you. Caramel. I got caramel sauce from Trader Joe's. Surprise! Alright, start off with, you got an ice cream scooper?
No.
You ain't never got nothing in this phone.
Hey, we just moved in. Give us some time.
Can you open this, please? Babe. Thank you very much.
Butterfinger.
All of it. I feel like you need to get closer so you can actually see it, so let's move this over.
Blizzard time.
Let's try it. Blizzard! Come on. Try it.
Y'all for that mug, but y'all ain't young.
It's good. It's good. It's good. Save your money. I say out of your pockets. Money.
Y'all wasn't going.
Out of your pockets. Double.
Over here like that.